Our project is on the Florida Reef, and this project was done by Courtney Callaghan and Asiana Hahn. The Florida Reef salinity is measured from 20 to 35 parts per thousand. The water flow is from the Gulf of Mexico to Florida Bay. Sharks and turtles are some of the few creatures that are cave strategists that live in this environment. Temperatures of the water in cold seasons usually range from 72 degrees and in Celsius 22 degrees. Coral reefs are habitat specialists due to their environmental vulnerability. Temperature in warm seasons are 80 degrees Fahrenheit and in Celsius 27 degrees. The depth of the water is 15 to 30 feet. So the 6 species that live in this environment are corallivores, four-eyed butterfly fish, stoplight parrotfish, Caribbean reef squid, silver porgy, and barracuda. Some plants that live in this environment are algae, seagrasses, mangroves, seaweed, stony coral, and phytoplankton. So this is the daily environment of a staghorn coral. As you can see, the fish use this as a place to hide when there are predators or when they are being threatened. And staghorn corals are vulnerable to white band disease, and they also have low genetic diversity, which is why they're endangered. This is another endangered species, the lobestar coral. The lobestar coral species is vulnerable to the yellow band disease, and the coral species has slow recovery, which is why they are also endangered. So here's the complex food web. Here's the barracuda, the squid, the silver porgies, the young fish, zooplankton, phytoplankton, corallivores, stoplight parrotfish, four-eyed butterfly fish, and algae. And you can see that the arrows point to where their energy is being transferred to. And on the back is the simple food chain, which has the nurse shark, seahorse, shrimp, and golden algae. And you can see the arrows also point to where the energy is being transferred. A keystone species in this biome is a shark. Sharks exert top-down regulation, and this means that without sharks in the environment, the population of carnivorous fish will increase, therefore decreasing the herbivorous fish population, which maintains the producer population. So an ecosystem service these biome provides is coral reefs naturally filter pollutants. Mangroves have filtering roots that can improve water quality. Coral reefs also structure buffers, snowlines against many things. They protect against waves, storms, and floods, which help to prevent loss of life. One economic benefit is the tourism that the reef attracts. Non-residents and visitors have annually spent $1.7 billion by fishing and diving activities. The second economic benefit is the support of fisheries the tourism causes. So the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission provides money from tourism to local governments, nonprofit corporations, and state universities. Man's negative impact on the coral reef. Us humans blast fish, which harms the coral reef. Blast fishing doesn't just kill fish, but other organisms as well. This can cause a disruption in the food chain, which overall affects every organism. We also pollute the coral reef in various ways. Things such as oil spills and dumping waste kill organisms.